Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to update the Edits app or the Instagram Edits app. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up your Play Store. And if you're using iOS, go ahead and open up your respective app store. All right. Just tap on it and wait for it to open. And once it loads, go to the search function, which looks like this one. All right. Just tap on it. Now in the search bar, just tap on it once more. Now go ahead and type in edits. Okay. Go ahead and tap on the search result. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, you have here the Edits app or Edits an Instagram app. All right. Well, all you have to do to update it is when you see an update button right here, that means the app needs an update. Now if it doesn't have an update button, well, and that means that the app doesn't need any update. All right. If you do have an update button right here, just go ahead and tap on it and wait for the process to finish. Once that's done, you can go ahead and open up the app again and enjoy it. Well, I hope this video helps you and I'll see you in the next one.